In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to a ClickUp task. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct space and looking at the task you want to update by email. This feature is useful when you want to quickly add information to a task from your email account, especially if you're sharing updates, notes, or written context that should stay attached to that specific task. Once you're in ClickUp, navigate to the task you want to email and click on it to open it. Take a moment to confirm that you've opened the right task, since the email you're about to send will be connected directly to it. Next, go to the upper right corner of the task window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the task settings and gives you access to additional options related to that task. From that menu, select Send Email to Task. When you click it, a small window will appear showing a unique email address created specifically for that task. Now click Copy to copy that task email address. This is the address you'll use to send your message into ClickUp. Since this address is tied to the task, it's a good idea to copy it carefully and use it exactly as provided. After that, open your email service, such as Gmail or Outlook, and create a new email. In the To field, paste the ClickUp task email address you just copied. This tells your email provider where to send the message so it lands in the correct ClickUp task. Then write your message in the body of the email. Whatever you type here will be added as a comment on the ClickUp task, which makes this a simple way to keep communication and task updates in one place. Try to keep your message clear and relevant so it's easy to review later inside the task. When your email is ready, click Send. Once it's sent, ClickUp will receive the message and add it to the task as a comment. Finally, return to ClickUp and open the task again. Check the activity and comments section, where your email should now appear. This is a good final step to confirm everything worked correctly and that the message was added to the right task. Thanks for watching.